To wash Tracy's hair, you need a handy-dandy hose, a towel, a trash bag, and the shampoo. You tie one knot at the end of one end of the trash bag, and then you put the other end of the trash bag around Tracy's head. And you tie it up just like so. You turn the water on to a nice, comfortable setting. Get her hair all wet. Then shampoo. Use the prescription shampoo on her scalp, wait 5 minutes, add Head and Shoulders to her hair, then rinse completely, and she's ready to go.